Hi, I'm Brittany, and this is the Oster Convection Oven with Pizza Drawer. I'm going to do some unboxing here to see what this new pizza oven design is all about. So let's get started. When you remove the unit, you'll notice the oven rack and baking pan are wrapped together. Oh, and we have an instruction booklet packed in here as well. It's very important to read this before first use to understand how your appliance works and get some helpful tips too. As you can see, it's well packed. I'll just remove the styrofoam and this plastic bag. Wow, look at that. Very nice, professional looking, with a brushed stainless steel exterior that fits any kitchen. So let's get rid of the tape here and see how it works. Wow, that's really cool. It has a pizza drawer. What a great idea. It's a convenient way to cook pizza, faster than regular ovens. It's a good size too. Looks like it could fit a 12-inch pizza. And you can also make bruschetta, appetizers, quesadillas, and more. I'll just remove the plastic inside to see what else we've got. Okay, there are 2 crumb trays here to catch residue and drips, and they come out for easier cleaning. This yellow sheet that you see here is a quick start guide that will show you how to use your pizza drawer. So now I can insert the oven rack, and I'll just place the baking pan inside for now. The pan fits on top of the rack or inside the guide rails to make a broiling pan. Now that's pretty convenient. It's a great size too. This top section is perfect for deeper pans. And while you're cooking in the pizza drawer, the top can be used as a plate or food warmer. So let's check out these controls. These knobs make it fast and easy to set your oven. Here are the settings for multiple cooking functions, including pizza, which activates the pizza drawer, and turbo for turbo convection baking technology to cook food faster and brown more evenly. The 60-minute timer has an automatic shutoff that dings to let you know your food is ready. Once you set the timer, the indicator light will turn on to let you know it's working. Oh, the pizza's ready. And that's it. Overall, nice look, cool pizza drawer, and easy to use controls. A great convection oven to leave on the counter. Visit the Oster.com website for more information.